8 signs you are more intimidating than you realize. 1. People avoid eye contact. If others frequently avoid making eye contact with you, it could indicate that they find you intimidating. 2. Others are reluctant to approach you. People may hesitate to approach you or initiate conversations, fearing they might say or do something wrong. 3. You often get interrupted or talked over. When speaking in group settings, if others frequently interrupt you or talk over you, it could be a sign that they find you intimidating and are trying to assert themselves. 4. People appear nervous around you. If people seem jittery or uneasy in your presence, it might be because they perceive you as intimidating. 5. You're often the decisive voice in group discussions. If you find yourself frequently taking charge in group discussions or making decisions without much input from others, it could be because they see you as the most assertive or intimidating person in the group. 6. You're often misinterpreted. People might misinterpret your straightforward communication style or assertiveness as aggression or arrogance, leading them to feel intimidated by you. 7. Others seek your approval or validation. If people frequently seek your approval or validation before expressing their own opinions or making decisions, it could be a sign that they see you as an authority figure or someone whose opinion carries significant weight. 8. You're often given a wide berth in crowded spaces. If people instinctively give you more space than necessary when passing by, or avoid sitting too close to you in crowded spaces, it could be because they find you intimidating.